Haven't you ever wondered how to make a scrolling background? This video will show you how. So I'll just name the project Scrolling Background. So after that, we'll start. So after that, we're gonna delete the scratch cat and we're just gonna add a background. Okay. Now we're gonna add a square, like a rectangle shape. But we don't want it to be like a floor for now. We want it to be like a mountain. So first we're gonna have to add the paint. We're gonna use the painting and we're gonna make it like that so it doesn't bump into each other. So I'll use that tool and then I'll just make this go up. You can, but I'm gonna make another costume. But both of them are gonna have to like connect to each other. So yeah, we'll just choose the X 0 and the Y is 0. Yeah. Now we're gonna duplicate this. We can we're done. Now we're gonna make a custom block and we're gonna name it setup. Or you could name it start. You can do whatever you want. You can name it setup or start. It doesn't matter. When green flag clicked, we're gonna just do start. Then we're gonna add another variable, scroll speed. Then for this sprite only, and then we're just gonna press OK. And we're gonna do a set scroll speed to like 0.25. Yeah, that looks good. Now we're gonna do switch costume to costume number 1, and then we're gonna do another one named X, another variable named X. Then for the sprite only, and then we're gonna do set X to let's do 0, and then no. Then create clone of myself. We're gonna create a clone of ourselves, and then we're gonna do next costume. Change X by 360 or 480. Yeah, 480. Then broadcast, and we're gonna do begin. So after doing broadcast begin, we're gonna add when green flag clicked. We're gonna add a green flag when green flag clicked, and then forever. Then we're gonna make another variable named camera X. We're gonna do for all sprites, and change camera X to change camera by X by 15. Then when I receive begin, we want it to start scrolling. We want it to scroll, so we're gonna add a forever block, and then we're gonna add set scroll. We're gonna do screen X. We're gonna do done. Then we're gonna change this to screen X. Then after this, we're just gonna do minus subtraction, and then we're gonna add X. Then multiply by camera X. And yeah. Then we're gonna do set X2. We're gonna do subtraction again, and we're gonna do mod. Then we're just gonna add like screen X, and then for the first part of the mod, and then this we're gonna add a multiply for 80 by 2, and then we're gonna do minus like 480. That looks good. Now we can do set y to 0. Then we're just gonna hide all the variables. Then we're gonna save it, and look at that, it's scrolling. Infinite. We're gonna duplicate that. We wanna make a floor. So we're gonna name this floor. But we want the floor to be moving faster than the background. And I'll show you right now after I make the floor. I'll just delete the mountains and hills. Now, I'm gonna do the same for this. Yeah. We're gonna change the scroll speed for this to 1. But the floor is a bit invisible right now because we can't see it. Because it's the same color. We can just make it darker. Like, okay, we're gonna do like make it a bit darker. So let's outline it so we can know that it actually works. Just to double check. You don't have to. But yeah. Now we know like the floor is working, right? So we'll just remove first make it darker, then remove the outline. It works. It works. It's just scrolling like it's supposed to be. If you want, you can even make the second costume a bit like lighter. Look, so you see that it's actually scrolling. Look, you see, it's like scrolling, but the mountains are, yeah, good. Well, if you want, you can make the mountains larger. That actually scrolls. That actually looks good. It works. Just, we're gonna add like a nice background. We can just convert to bitmap and like let's do a lightest saturated blue, and let's just use the fill color, and we're done. That looks awesome. So it scrolls, it works, the floor is scrolling, the mountains are